There's your dog book. There's a ball, right? I love dogs. Where's the ball? Yeah, there it is. I love big dogs and small dogs. Oh, we skipped a few pages. I love tough dogs and soft dogs. I love dogs that bark. and dogs that don't. What's that? Yeah. I love dogs that play and dogs that won't. You saying dog? I love hairy dogs and bald dogs. Stripy dogs? What is that? What's that? Is that the ball? And spotty dogs. Can you turn the page? I love slow dogs. Yeah. And fast dogs. You see all those dogs. And shabby and chic dogs. I love dogs that are good and dogs that are bad. Where's the slipper? Slipper's in his mouth. Where's the other slipper? Yeah, that dog ate the slipper up. He's a bad dog. But the dog that I love best? Let's see. Where's the ball? No, where's the red ball? Look over here. Look over here. Where's the ball? There it is. There's the red ball. Yep, the dog has the ball. Is any dog that won't chase me? What's that? Where's the kitty cat? Yeah, there's the kitty cat. Where's the red ball? Yep, in that big dog's mouth. There's the kitty cat. And what are those guys? Whole bunch of different, yep, dogs. See, look. This is a big, long wiener dog. You love this book, right?